Do you want to do it? Yep.
No,
That's what you were doing.
Do it. It's fun.
What's up, guys? We're back to the video. We have 7 days left, and first off, Steven finished the long block last night. We're just gonna go over, throw some silicone, put the valve cover gasket, do the accessories. Then we'll be dropping it in to here because we work as a team. And then let me show you my new parts. Yesterday we dropped the short block off at the machine shop, and because my pistons came in, thank you Injuku once again for overnighting those parts. And we'll be using kind of on a budget material stuff, so eagle rods and these Carrillo pistons. Let me flip this around, show you what we got. So here's what we got. Our one missing because we needed to send one to the machine shop to get the proper diameter of the bore. And check these suckers out. Pretty nice. They handle about 200 horsepower per cylinder, so this is way more than what we need, but looks flashy, looks nice, can probably handle a little bit more heat just in case we ever overheat again. And the eagle rods are pretty standard. They're a little on the heavier side for what we want to do, but for our time crunch and budget, this is perfect. So yeah, we're gonna get these going and get this thing going. I got the time lapse. Hopefully it's a better time lapse than what I had. Yeah, we got all these parts. Need to pop them on there. Anyways, I'm in a much better mood. I think we're on a good timeline for having 7 working days, to get this projects done, both of them, and tuned out. This weekend, Tessa has cross country and other things, so I got to do dad duties. So only Monday through Friday is the time that I have. So anyways, let's go. All right, we're getting close to the end of the night, and yeah, we've been super busy. We got GTR in the back, got JZX doing boost leak stuff, and Steven's car. This is the outro. Whatever, 7 days. I'm starting to lose track of time, but I got very far. Me and Christian got very far. I don't know where Steven was, so it probably has a better chance of surviving now that Steven didn't touch it. Anyways, let me show you what we did. Earlier, we assembled the engine, did a time lapse. Hopefully it came out good. I don't know. I'm still learning how to do time lapses. Plumbed a lot of stuff. Well, sort of. Doesn't look like it. Got the accessories on. Got the trans in. Got the clutch on. You probably saw this was naked earlier. Got the radiator in. Got that plumbed. Yeah, so we are definitely headed in the right direction. I think tomorrow we should be ready for startup on this. And then this, hopefully tomorrow we have a short block that we can assemble, because right now that's all I got. I have no more parts here. Trans is sitting there clean. Engine parts came in. We have, I don't even remember if I already said this or not, oil pump, bearings, rods, pistons, head gasket. So it's going to be a long day, and I'm hoping to get on the dyno by Wednesday, Tuesday, somewhere around that time. And then hopefully maybe even find more horsepower. Anyways, I think everything's going to be all right. And sorry, Aaron Losi, but I'm going to destroy you and anyone else in Lone Star this weekend. I'm just kidding. I'm just happy to go tandem with good people. Later, guys.